নম্বর বুথে ইভিএম ভিভিপ্যাট মেয়েরা ফেলে দিয়েছে, কারণ তাদের স্বামীদের ছেলেদের এজেন্ট বসতে গেলে মারধর করেছে তার জন্য।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आप लोग का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। आज इलेक्शन का आखिरी दिन है। वेस्ट बंगाल में फेज 7 का आज लास्ट वोट है, तो हम सुबह सुबह जा रहे हैं वोट देने। तो चलिए पोलिंग बूथ में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय। तो हम पोलिंग बूथ पे पहुंच चुके हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कैलकाटा बॉयज स्कूल। ये है हमारा पोलिंग बूथ, यहाँ हम जाके वोट देते हैं। तो चलिए अंदर से। तो हम अंदर जा रहे हैं। अंदर कैमरा अलाउड नहीं है, तो हमें कैमरा ऑफ करना पड़ेगा। तो हम वोट देके बाहर निकल चुके हैं। माई वोट माई राइट। तो हमारा वोट हो गया है, वापस हम चल रहे हैं घर के तरफ।
By elections in West Bengal's 9th parliamentary constituency, there were incidents of violence, especially in Jadavpur and Diamond Harbour. Supporters of Trinamool Congress, Indian Secular Front and Bharatiya Janata Party clashed with each other. Now these are reports of PTI. Election officials initially said that the voting was peaceful. However, they also admitted receiving 1,450 complaints by 11 a.m. mostly from the political parties. These complaints were about issues like problems with the electronic voting machines and agents being blocked from entering the polling booths. Now tension rose as clashes broke out between the supporters of TMC, ISF and BJP in different parts of the states. These clashes stemmed from disputes over preventing polling agents from accessing booths. In Bhangar, which is part of Jadavpur constituency, there was a confrontation between TMC and ISF supporters. Both sides accused each other of throwing crude bombs. Now protests broke out as police stepped in to control the situation. Both groups accused each other of starting the violence. Security forces used batons to scatter the crowd and bring back the peace. Now, during this action, several crude bombs were found at the scene. Furious voters in Kaltuli, part of Joynagar constituency, took extreme step by throwing EVM and VVPAT machine into nearby water bodies. They did this because they felt that there was an electoral misconduct and were frustrated with what they saw as voting restriction. Now all these reports and the cases have raised a big question on electoral system of India as well as the democracy of the country. For more such information, do follow